There's no flag.
I'm on the wrong side of him, but.
I'm gonna re-kick, but I don't know why.
Party time.
Party time.
Yeah. That's how their penis. Wait, he just kicks it from sitting on its side like that?
Yeah.
That is bizarre.
Put a lot of, no, that's no good.
Oh, he spins so that he hopes that it hits one of their players and bounces off. Interesting strategy.
But it did go 10.
Good dance, Silas.
Hits them, yeah.
That's good dancing. It's the coughing dance.
Quite the spinning ball. I can see how you would hope that would hit someone back.